All right, guys, so it is almost 10 o'clock now, and it's very hard to hear a gobble because the wind's gusting so bad. At times it's probably gusting 15 miles per hour or so, but all I'm doing is I'm climbing up these hills, getting to the top, and just dropping down in the bottom and calling as loud as I can on that slate call, and just stopping and listening the best I can. That's all I can do right now. It's very hard to hear. I'm sure it's very hard for them to hear me. But we're gonna see if we can't just keep on, try to strike something up, see what happens. Alright, it is late in the afternoon, windy as heck. I'm having a really hard time trying to get this gobbler to figure out where I'm at. He keeps walking all around me because he can't hear me good. I'm gonna back off out here, see what happens. See, I think he's got my position now here. Definitely got my position now. I should. Oh my God. What a bird. Oh. Well guys, I tell you what, a lot can be learned from a day like today. Beautiful day, gorgeous blue skies, sun was out, nice and warm, but the wind kicked up probably about 7 o'clock, and it gusted all day up to 15 miles per hour, and it made it very tough for me to hear the turkey and for them to hear me. So anytime you have a lot of wind in a situation, that's going to make your hunting a lot more difficult, just right off the bat. So what I did is I put the mouth call away and I picked up a friction call. Personally, I like crystal, but you can use slate, glass, whatever you like. A box call works good, but there was really not much of a chance for me to strike a turkey with a mouth call, and I knew that right off the bat. I was hopping over these little ridges and hills, getting into each valley and calling as loud as I could, trying to get as much volume out of that crystal call that I could. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to get in a bubble with a turkey that can hear you. And sure enough, I got in his bubble and I thought I could hear him. But here's another important thing to do when you're calling in windy situations. You want to call, get as much volume out of that call, and then you just want to stop. You want to sit there and just wait, because sometimes you may not hear that first gobble. That's exactly what happened here. He gobbled to the call, but I wasn't sure what I was hearing because the wind was gusting so bad. So I just stopped, did not take another step. A few minutes later, he gobbled, and it was more pronounced. So I knew it was a turkey then, and I had to get set up. And gave him a few more calls with the slate, and when he got inside 100 yards, I was able to put it away and finish with a mouth call. But that's something you can kind of put in your pocket for windy days. You know, it's all about calling as often as you can, or calling while you're moving, trying to locate a turkey and calling as loud as you can, and then wait. Give long pauses. Make sure you give yourself an opportunity to hear even the faintest gobble. Very important. But when he got within 50 yards or so, I could hear him spitting and drumming just fine. He put on a great show, and I am tagged out in Arkansas, guys. Super happy, super happy. He put on a show, and in a way, the tag out bird it's a happy, sad moment, because it is over for me here in the home state. But you never know. I think we may take a few road trips this year, and we're going to try to video them. So we'll see how that goes. Should be fun. Y'all stay tuned.